bicycle, ring, ring, ring. This is a bicycle, ring, ring, ring. Pedal to the left, pedal to the right. Riding on my bike, ring, ring, ring. This is a train, choo, choo, choo. This is a train, choo, choo, choo. Rolling down the track, clickety clack. Let's ride the train, choo, choo, choo. Oh man, this is a car, beep, beep, beep. This is a car, beep, beep, beep. Driving on the road, fast or slow. Here we go now, beep, beep, beep. This is
Let me teach you how to create this type of fun, educational transport nursery rhyme video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you step by step using ChatGPT, Pixverse AI, a music generator, and finally CapCut to bring all your work together. Let's go. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it to create a fun and easy to sing transportation song for kids. Also, you can ask ChatGPT to create AI image prompt for you to go with the song. So I'm just going to click on create. ChatGPT will go ahead and create this fun transportation song as you are seeing on the screen. Next, ChatGPT will also create my AI image prompt. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy the first prompt for the first image, just like this. Then I'm going to ask ChatGPT to please generate it for me in YouTube aspect ratio. I'm going to hit on send and you can see ChatGPT is generating my first image for this transportation song. Now you can see that the first image for the transportation, which is a transportation song, which is a train, is ready. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy the second prompt. Then I'm going to type in generate, add more information as I see fit, and also ask ChatGPT to create it in YouTube aspect ratio. ChatGPT will just go ahead and do just that. You can see the second one is ready. I'll go ahead and do the same for the third image prompt. You can modify it as you like. So you can see the third one is ready, which is a sheep. Don't forget to download your images as you are generating, though you can come back to it, but I prefer to download as I am generating. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and animate my images in Pixverse AI. So I'm just going to head over to Google and type in Pixverse AI. If this is your first time of using Pixverse AI, you can go ahead and register. Pixverse AI gives you free 60 daily credit. Click on generate video on the left hand side and then click on this image icon to bring in your first image for animating. So I'm just going to bring in my first image. Then I'm going to head over to ChatGPT to copy the prompt for the image, as that is the prompt I'm going to be using to animate my image in Pixverse AI. So I'm just going to copy it carefully. If you're still with me up to this point, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, thank you. I'm just going to go ahead to paste the prompt here. Then I'm going to click on create. Now Pixverse AI is generating my video. Once it's done generating, I'm going to click on it and you can see my first video is ready. Now I'm going to go ahead and download it. I'm just going to click on this download button and then I'm going to download it. Once I'm done downloading, I'm going to click on back and then I'm going to go ahead and copy the prompt for the second image so that I can animate it. Once I copy it, I'm going to head back to Pixverse AI and click on this image icon to bring in the second image I want to animate. Once I bring it in, I'm going to go ahead and paste the prompt I brought in from ChatGPT. Then I'm going to edit the prompt. I'm going to remove the parts that I think are unnecessary. Then I'm going to hit on create. Watch Pixverse AI do its magic. You can see now my video is ready. I'm going to click on it I'm going to go ahead and generate my remaining video without showing you. Next, I'm going to go to Google and type in free nursery rhyme generator. Once I go to Google, it will bring me here. Now I'll just go to ChatGPT and bring my nursery rhyme so that I can generate it. So I'll first copy the style of my nursery rhyme and then return back to the site and paste the style of music. Please, if you are still watching, do not forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you. I'm going to go ahead and paste the style and then return back to ChatGPT and copy the title of my nursery rhyme. Once I am done doing that, I'm going to go. Now I have copied and pasted my nursery rhyme in this document, so I'm just going to go ahead and copy it from this document, and then I'll head over to the website and then paste the lyrics. I'll just quickly go through to make sure that everything is all right, and then I'm going to hit on generate music. Please, if you are still watching, do not forget to subscribe again. Thank you. Now it's generating my nursery rhyme, so you're just going to wait for a minute or two. Okay, I think it is still doing its magic. Yes, now it is done generating my nursery rhyme, so I'm just going to wait for it to load. This will take another 1 minute or two depending on your network. Okay, it's a bit slow, so you have to be patient. So my nursery rhyme is ready. You can just click on it to take a listen if you want to. So I'm going to scroll down and then click on download. Hit the download button. You can see it's rolling. Yes, and it will just go ahead and download my song. My song is ready and this is amazing. For the final part, head over to CapCut and bring in all the videos I generated from Pixverse AI and also the nursery rhyme I generated from free nursery rhyme generator on Google. Once I bring it in, I'm just going to go ahead and arrange the video, according to the lyrics of the song. So the first one is, I'm just going to drag and drop the nursery rhyme. Then the first on the list is this girl riding a bicycle, because the first part is talking about riding a bicycle as a means of transport. I'm going to make sure that I bring in the girl again, also for the third time, because all this part is talking about riding a bicycle. Once I'm done, I'm going to listen again and then bring in the next means of transportation in the song, which is the train. You will just do that till the end of the video, so I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward it in order to save time. Now that I'm done arranging my nursery rhyme video, I'm just going to go ahead and take a listen. Once I'm satisfied, I'm going to click on export. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.